Hello everyone, my name is Ashok Patil. I am working as a teacher English in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. I would like to share my success story in NVS. I joined this organization in September 1992, initially at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Basmat Nagar, district Hingoli. Earlier it was in Parbhani district. I have contributed my services as a TGT English at JNV Sabarkanta, Gujarat, at JNV Buldana, Gondia, Varda, Maharashtra, and presently I am working at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Akola since September 2018. I have been completed nearly 28 years of service in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. I take this opportunity to share my wonderful experience of 28 years in NVS as a teacher of English. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas is a system of school for talented students, predominantly from rural areas in the country. They are run by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, New Delhi, an autonomous organization under the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, Government of India. JNVs are fully residential and co-educational schools affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, New Delhi, with classes from 6 to 12 with science, commerce, and humanities stream. I am very fortunate to be an employee of this prestigious organization. I am discharging my duties as a teacher of English with devotion and dedication since my joining. Every teacher in JNVs has to play different roles besides teaching profession. He has to be a subject teacher, a class teacher, a house master, a counselor, a mentor, a guardian, a guide, a parent, etc. As a subject teacher, I prepared my class lessons well, leaving no stone unturned before going to the classrooms to give the best to my students and make them satisfied and self-content. I conducted several literary activities like debate, extempore, speech, etc. during classroom transactions to improve communication skills of my children. The students of class 10 enacted short plays from their textbook on the stage in front of all the students of the school except class 12 when I was at JNV Varda. I produced very good subject average not only in class 10 in CBSE board examination but also in non-board classes in annual examinations. I always achieved the benchmark given by the Samiti. I personally attended the low achievers in each class and provided them fruitful remedies. I conducted diagnostic tests and monitored their progress to make them get through with very good marks in the annual examinations. I enriched my knowledge in the field of ICT also with the help of my colleagues for online virtual classrooms in preparing e-content with the help of PowerPoint presentations and conducting the online sessions by using Zoom or Google Meet on textual as well as non-textual part for the respective classes during the lockdown period. I also learned the skill of conducting online assessment of students' performance by using Google Forms. I got many opportunities to be the anchor of the cluster level, regional level, and national level tournaments and on important occasions conducted in the Vidyalaya. In short, my professional growth is enhanced while discharging various duties in the Vidyalaya. As a class teacher, I learned the skill of preparing results and progress cards of the students of my class. I announced the results on the result declaration day. I always ensured cleanliness and discipline in the classroom as a class teacher. I made the walls of my classroom talkative by displaying informative and educative projects and charts with the help of the students. As a housemaster, I played my role very sincerely and honestly. As per NVS guidelines, two-tier system of house is functioning in every Navodaya Vidyalaya. Number one, junior houses for classes 6 to 8, and second, senior houses for classes 9 to 12. In a full-fledged Vidyalaya, there are 4 junior houses and 4 senior houses, and 2 houses for girls, one from classes 6 to 8 and another from classes 9 to 12. Therefore, there are 8 house masters and associate house masters for boys and 2 house mistresses and associate house mistresses for girls. Average strength of the house is 50. Though all the girls in a JNV have been placed under 2 houses, that is junior and senior, for effective supervision and management, both the houses are further divided into 4 groups for the conduct of inter-house activities and competitions. Each group of girls of the junior house is linked with the junior house of the boys of the same house, and similarly, each group of the girls house of senior is also linked with the corresponding senior house of the boys for the purpose of inter-house activities and competitions. This creates a healthy competitive atmosphere among the students. Since JNVs have been established in every corner of the country, name of the houses also reflect the all India character of the Vidyalaya. This creates feeling of oneness not only among the Vidyalayas but also among the children. The house system in Navodaya Vidyalayas is a key to understand its residential culture. Each house has its distinct name, a particular color for its flag, badge, T-shirt, etc. The four houses in every Navodaya Vidyalaya are Aravali, Nilgiri, Shivalik, and Udaygiri. The houses have been named after the mountains because they are stable part of our ancient history and their impact on our lives. The four mountains that lend their names to the houses in each Navodaya Vidyalaya represent the four major regions of our country. The Aravali represent the west, the Nilgiri represent the south, the Shivalik represent the north, and the Udaygiri represent the east. Together they represent a strong, stable and unified India being shaped on the campus of each JNV. As a housemaster, I acted as a parent, guide, counselor, and friend for every student of the house. I tried my best to provide a family atmosphere in making the child physically fit, socially adjusted, emotionally balanced, and morally upright. I always ensured safety and security of the students of my house. I taught them table manners and enjoyed food with them during all meals in the dining hall. I maintained the discipline wherever required. I attended the sick students by taking them to the staff nurse and I took them to civil hospital for medical treatment in emergency. I provided them ready guidance and welfare-oriented concern that promoted all-round development among the students. I encouraged them for their active and healthy participation in sports and games activities. It had been planned to fulfill all the deficiency needs of every student. It helped to provide the first-hand experience for developing communication skills, interaction skills, and valuable lessons in social learning. As a trainee, I had been given an opportunity to go to different places like Rangareddy, Pune, Ahmednagar, Ahmedabad, Usmanabad, Kankon, and analyze of Chandigarh and South Goa to attend various training programs and workshops on different topics like personality development, awakened citizen program, content enrichment, in-service course, orientation program, etc. to enhance my professional growth. As a team manager, I had been given an opportunity to escort the 23 students of basketball tournament, both boys and girls under 17, from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Wardha to Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, to participate in the 62nd National School Games 2016, which were conducted at Delhi Public School and Digvijay Stadium, Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, from 26th of December to 30th December 2016. I had an opportunity to escort the 7 students from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Wardha for National Integration Meet 2017, which was conducted at Kamani Auditorium, New Delhi on 16th and 17th of January 2017, respectively. I had also been given an opportunity to escort the 12 boys under 17 to Jammu and Kashmir to participate in the National School Games 2019 for volleyball tournament, which was conducted in Jammu and Kashmir from 8th of December to 13th of December 2019. As a committee member of different committees, I got many opportunities to work in groups and learn certain values like kindness, cooperation, confidence, which helped me to be self-reliant. I learned so many things related to Vidyalaya administration and academics from my principals and senior colleagues. As I'm positive, only positive things happened to me in my life till date so far. As a parent, I am fortunate enough to be blessed with a good son and daughter. Both of them studied in JNVs only from class 6 to 12. I feel proud to share that my son cracked Grand Dakshina selection test in class 10th when he was at JNV Wardha and got selected for intensive coaching of JEE Main and Advanced for IIT at JNV Bundi, Rajasthan. After completing his coaching, he appeared for JEE Main and qualified for Advanced. Having scored very good rank in Advanced, he got mechanical engineering branch at IIT Bombay and while completing his BTech degree, he got placement in Indian Oil Corporation, Corporate Office, New Delhi as grade 1 officer. My daughter is doing plain BSc in microbiology at RLT College of Akola. Presently, she is in 3rd semester. As a Corona warrior, I had been to Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Dehradun to drop the migrated students of JNV Dehradun, Uttarakhand on 21st of March 2020 during the rapid spread of novel coronavirus across the country. That time, the Janta curfew was announced by the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 22nd of March 2020 throughout the country from 7 hours to 24 hours. All the facilities of transportation were cancelled, but luckily my flight was not cancelled and I reached Nagpur airport. From there, I traveled by Vidyalaya vehicle from Nagpur to Akola as I had requested my principal ma'am to send a Vidyalaya vehicle to collect me. I thank God Almighty as I reached safe and sound to the campus of JNV Akola during the prevailing critical situation due to COVID-19. Last but not least, I have to say that I feel proud to be a teacher of Navodaya. This is a journey of 28 years in Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Thank you, everyone.